Quantitative trading analysis with Python. The objective of this course is for you to learn quantitative trading analysis main concepts from a basic to an expert level while you practice with Standard & Poor's 500 exchange-traded fund prices using Python programming language as your analysis tool. At the end of this course, you will be able to implement trading strategy indicators, signals and rules, explore strategy categories through trend-following indicators such as simple moving averages convergence, divergence, and mean reversion indicators such as Bollinger Bands, relative strength index, statistical arbitrage through Z-score. Calculate main trading statistics such as net trading profit and loss, maximum drawdown, and equity curve. Measure principal performance metrics such as annualized returns, standard deviation, and Sharpe ratio. Maximize historical risk-adjusted performance by optimizing strategy parameters. Reduce historically optimized strategy overfitting through asset prices data delimiting into training and testing data subsets. This course is ideal as you're an undergraduate or postgraduate who wants to learn about quantitative trading analysis using Python programming language. You're a finance professional or academic researcher who wishes to deepen your knowledge in quantitative finance. You're an experienced investor who desires to research quantitative trading strategies. It's very important to remember that this course is not about get-rich-quick trading systems or magic formulas.